The Jamaica Defense Force Coast Guard has made a major strike against drug traffickers seeking to smuggle cocaine into the island. This followed the seizure of 506 kilograms or more than 1,000 pounds of cocaine last evening along the country's southern coastline. Now, the multi-million-dollar drug bust occurred after the JDF Coast Guard intercepted a suspicious vessel south of Moran Point. This led to a high-speed chase. Now, during the encounter, the drug traffickers reportedly dumped several packages overboard and escaped. The Coast Guard recovered the drugs, which was handed to the narcotics police. It is believed the cocaine shipment originated from South America. Head of the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division, Superintendent Patricia Rowe, told our news center that the cocaine has a street value of hundreds of millions of dollars. He said the FNID and the JDF Coast Guard have been working closely with their overseas partners to intercept illicit drugs entering Jamaica's borders. Now, Superintendent Rowe also added the seizure is a significant blow to organized crime in Jamaica.